Okay, in this particular video, you can see Star World, you can see Wynn Casino, and way down there is MGM, and we're gonna go and start at the MGM and come back and show you everything between there and all this here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there's the MGM, and we're just gonna walk straight down this little this little strip that goes all the way down. And there's MGM, and then there's sorry, this is the MGM, and that's Wynn, and there's some other casinos down there as well. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the MGM, and we're just gonna walk straight down this way, and there's basically a little strip that's kind of like a little bit of bars, and over there is kind of the waterfront, but it's the end of the street. And there's a McDonald's right here. There's a second floor that you can overlook this little strip. Over there is called Valkyrie Octopus, and that's like an exhibition that's inside the MGM casino. Got lots of little places to sit down as well. And President Casino, and actually right now it's the COVID time, so there's not that many people around, not many tourists around. This one is, there's a bar up here called Heart Bar, and Escott Hotel. So that place, I think there's a dress code. There's a bar up at the top there. And then there's kind of a whole little slew of places here, and then way down there there's like the Rio Casino and Sands Casino. It's kind of down there's a Fisherman's Wharf. And so there's another view of the MGM. So this is kind of a casino area in some ways, but usually we think of Cotai Strip. So straight ahead is, I think there's also Star World right there too. So, and there's a big COVID sign, so you can see that little boy with a little sick one. All these are all residences for the MGM. So you can see this whole stream of very tall buildings. So they have a pretty high capacity of people that can stay in that particular hotel. And then of course this one too, the Wynn, there's quite a bit of capacities as well for that one. And actually, if you look at the MGM, lots of places to sit right here. There's actually quite a few people. Looks like a lot of lights are on, so might be a good time to get a room if nobody can travel here, of course, because it's COVID, except for Guangdong, Zhuhai people, the people right across the border from us. I'm not sure if it's Zhuhai City, which is like about 2.5 million, or all of Guangdong, which is about 38 million. So I don't know how, I don't know who all can come. Not sure how that all works. I think they have to get some kind of travel permit or visa permit. There's the MGM. It's kind of like a little Times Square kind of thing. So sometimes I'll see things advertising there, like Dragon Boat. So Dragon Boat, June 1st through June 25, so that's going on now. So I had another video earlier. These are like gold shops in here, so you can buy gold and watches. Let me just see. And sometimes they'll have a whole strip of them. Yeah, there's more down that way. And then actually if you go all the way around, you'll see more. This one looks a little bit empty, so I don't know why. There's mostly watches here. And then this one has watches, but a lot of these are empty too. Maybe because of COVID. So let me see, this one sells phones, more watches. This is a little bus one. And then yeah, you can see all these government announcements. So they're all waiting for the bus. And then this one says, it's in Portuguese, Chinese, and English. It basically just tells you to wear a mask, avoid crowds, don't leave Macau, stuff like that. These are all just, I usually think of these places as kind of catering to the mainland tourist. So here's a bunch of pharmacy stuff, kind of knick-knack stuff, watches, sunglasses, things that I think that Macau is duty-free, I think. So I think that just kind of cool. There's a chair right there. So I think basically that means that that people can buy whatever they want to buy here, which is probably why all these things are set up around the casinos. So you can come in and, or well, whoever can come in and buy stuff duty free. It's kind of a cool little strip like that, right? So this is called Rua Cidade de Coimbra. Coimbra is a city in Portugal. So the city of Coimbra, street of the city of Coimbra. So Coimbra is it's kind of like a college town in Portugal. So here's a casino right here. It says in memory of Stanley Ho, La Arc Casino. And I've never been inside this one. Some of these casinos around here, they don't really have many amenities. Basically just go in and just straight ahead go gambling. And if that's what you do, then I can't bring in the camera. It'll basically be right into the casino floor immediately. I can see the lobby inside here though. Chow Tai Fook. I think it's all part of the casino. Looks like it. So La Art Casino. So yeah, it looks like they have some kind of lobby. It's probably also a hotel. Yeah, it is a hotel. I think if I go in, it'll just basically be a lobby. There's a giant Wynn Casino. And so, La Arc. Won't even try to go in. You got lots of taxis. It's a Tuesday night, in case you're curious. Tuesday night around 9 p.m. COVID means there's almost no tourists around. Looks like I can see some construction being done over there. So there's a lot of construction going on at the moment. Dr. Stanley Ho passed away on May 26. Today's May 9, I believe. So it's about 10 days ago, 10, 11 days ago. Lark, Macau. And there's some other casinos straight ahead. It's amazing just how much construction is going on in this city. Look at that giant billboard. Stefano Ricci. Not sure who that is, but I guess it has some jewelry and clothing. There seems to be a lot of jewelry and clothing shops around. Straight ahead is a French bakery. Passion? Not sure how you'd say that in French. By Gerard Dubois. Okay, let's see. I guess we'll go ahead right now. I can start to hear some music. So there's kind of a strip of, yeah, straight all the way down you can see the Sands Casino. That orange glow is Sands Casino. And then there's more gold shops. All those little ones in Chinese characters. And then I might be caught by some music here, which sometimes I won't be allowed to put this up, so I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, Star World Casino, the music turned off and now it turned back on. There's a little pause between songs. Sometimes that'll stop my video from uploading at all, especially if it's like Frank Sinatra, but I think this one is more generic, so maybe it won't. But anyways, this is Star World, so I'm just gonna get up here and I can just film the sign. Sometimes if I talk loud enough, I can overwhelm it. So let's see, there's Star World right there, and we'll run across over here, and then you can see the Wynn Casino right there, and lots more construction. I wonder what they're gonna build in this space. Actually, this needs a little bit of work anyways. I don't know what they're gonna do, but it's really hard. Basically, to get across that street, there's all this construction to get over there, so it's a little bit of a challenge. Pretty big road. Inside there's like a dragon show and another show. There's like a money tree show and a dragon show, so they'll have it right in that space. I filmed in there before. Rua de Cidade de Sintra. Sintra is another city in Portugal. Town. Beach town. Okay, so this is the Wynn Escott Center. That's where the Heart Bar was at. Big hotel. Wynn's big hotels. Lots of people stay there. Star World Casino is right there. And we have a red light and no cars on this quiet Tuesday night during the COVID era, so we're all gonna sneak across. And then over here we have the President Casino, and we're gonna kind of go over here in a minute. And you can actually go underground, which is what we're gonna do. And it says Fortuna Casino, Casino Lisboa, Presidente Casino, and they're all over there. And I usually go underground when I do that. But I think I want to, looks pretty cool right there, doesn't it? Star World. Huh. Star World has that same kind of look that the MGM does. I never really thought of them being different places, but I guess they definitely are. It's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna end this one right here and look back on that street we were just at.